In modern combat, what you can't see can destroy you. But what if you could blind your enemy without ever firing a bullet? Welcome to the silent battlefield of electronic warfare, where controlling the airwaves means controlling the outcome. Electronic warfare is the use of the electromagnetic spectrum to detect, deceive, disrupt, or destroy the enemy's ability to operate. It's not about guns or missiles. It's about signals. It's about spectrum superiority. And it's changing the rules of war. Electronic warfare is built on three pillars. First, electronic attack, using jamming, spoofing, and electromagnetic pulses to disable enemy systems. Second, electronic protection, defending your own equipment from enemy EU using shielding, encryption, and stealth. Third, electronic support, intercepting, monitoring, and analyzing the enemy's signals to gain intelligence. It's offense, it's defense, and it's surveillance, rolled into one. Let's explore the tools of this invisible war. Radar jammers, these disrupt enemy radars by flooding them with noise. Signal spoofers, they send fake GPS or comms data to mislead enemy drones or missiles. Directed energy weapons, like high-power microwaves that fry circuits without a sound. Cyber EU integration, where hacking and jamming work hand in hand. Stealth EU, using materials and signals to avoid detection altogether. In EU, invisibility is as powerful as firepower. Electronic warfare isn't science fiction, it's happening now. In Ukraine, Russia uses GPS jammers to blind Ukrainian artillery systems. The US Navy deploys EA-18G Growlers, airborne EU platforms that scramble enemy radar. China develops long-range jammers to dominate the South China Sea. And Israel is testing Iron Beam, a laser weapon to destroy aerial threats with zero noise. In today's conflicts, who owns the spectrum owns the battlefield. Traditional warfare relies on tanks, bombs, and boots. Electronic warfare relies on speed, stealth, and signal dominance. It's cheaper. It's faster. And it's harder to detect, until it's too late. AI in EU will enable real-time jamming decisions and automated signal analysis. Swarm drones will carry coordinated jammers and decoys. Space-based EU systems will target satellites, affecting both military and civilian life. Even critical infrastructure, like power grids and communication networks, could be disabled by EU attacks. The future of war is silent and signal-driven. In the 21st century, power isn't just about fire. It's about frequency. Electronic warfare is shaping the future of global conflict, not with explosions, but with disruption. This is Warfare Tech, Science of Modern Combat. Brought to you by the Physical Sciences Consultorium. Subscribe and stay ahead of the curve.